Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you what is really happening on GBPUSD and on gold. Let's do this midweek analysis together and see what exactly the move that you should be expecting on GBPUSD and on gold. So currently on my chart right now, I have the monthly time frame GU on the screen. You can see very clear. So what I have the price doing currently is that price just closed away from the monthly market structure that I have here. Price just closed away from it. And let me show you what the market did. So we had a level here. So this is how I got the market structure. I had a level here where price has been respecting so many times in the past. So I was really expecting price to come into it again, then respect it by bouncing off again or closing below it, then move into this next one that we have here. So that has been my expectation for the past few weeks now. And look at what the market did. So going to the weekly time frame, we'll see it clearly that we have the market close away from that level on the weekly time frame. You can see we first of all had a strong candle moving into that monthly market structure. Then we had a doji closing, a very small body candle closing within that weekly monthly market structure, then followed by this massive candlestick that closed away from that monthly market structure. So with this, I have the view that there's high probability that the market is going to start a bullish run anytime soon on GBPUSD. And where exactly are we expecting the market to stop this bullish run on this time frame? I'm looking at price coming into this trend line and this weekly market structure that we have up here. So that is the overall bias that I'm looking at on GU right now, and that will cover nothing less than how many pips? At least up to 980 pips for that particular movement. And this might take several months, if not a year or two. So it depends on how the market moves. So I can't really give exact time that is going to be achieved. So after looking at this from this time frame, I pulled down to my daily time frame to see the picture in a very more clearer form. You can see it right now. So we have a daily market structure that market has been respecting again as well in the past. You can see I have this level here being respected here as well, here as well, here as well, broken, retested before dropping, then price coming back to it again, drop again. After price bounce off from this level here, goes to this when it got to this daily market structure, we had a sell-off from that point. Even if that sell is not much, before we had a pullback before breaking into this side of the market that we have it right now. So right now I'm moving from the higher time frame to see what we can do on a daily, on the 4 hour. Then we'll know what to do on the 1 hour as well. That is why I'm doing this. But the overall movement on GBPUSD is a bullish run from the monthly time frame. But we can't wait. We can't, because market moves in waves. If price is going to pull into a direction, there will be a pullback as well. Market move into a direction, there will be a pullback. So this pullback can take several weeks, if not months, before you know what is going to happen on the monthly. So definitely you have to scale down into the lower time frame to know how to trade it. But we have at the back of our mind that GU, the overall movement from the monthly, is a bullish run. But we can wait until we have the pullback before we start running with the bulls. So just have to go down the line to know what to do with the lower time frame. So this is what I have right here. So we have the daily time frame here pulling back. Then I have this market structure, this one here. This was gotten from the H4. You can see we have the daily, then we have the H4 as well. You can see I got this market structure from the 4-hour time frame. You can see we have a level here, we have a level here as well. That was what I used to draw that particular market structure. And look at what the price is really doing around it. When price got here, though there was a very huge gap here when the market opened for this week, you can see this huge gap, which I believe market is going to cover it up. You can see it's covered already. The gap is closed already. So that is one thing about market. If the market creates gaps, there's high tendency is going to close that gap as time goes on. So that is that. So I was really expecting price to really push more into this demand level here, but price respected this demand level instead. This one here. That was what the market respected before, That was what the price was expecting before going bullish again. You can see that was a demand level. You see. So I was really expecting price to push into this level here. I want to trade this demand level down here. That is the extreme one within the monthly market structure. But look at what the market did. Price respected this one here, then bounced off from that point. That is good. That is okay. Though I was really expecting price to respect this structure, then pull back into this demand level before going up again. That was really what I was expecting. But look at the market. Look at what price did. Price took out this level and then probably retested it, but not really. I was really expecting that retest for me to join that movement, but that retest didn't happen. Because see, I have my alerts there. My alerts is there. So price didn't cross that level before, started ranging. So what are we looking at currently on GBPUSD right now? This is my take on GBPUSD right now. I'm looking for a buy and I'm still looking for a sell as well. Whatever the market gives me, because we can't really tell until it happens. So I'm looking at price retesting this structure, respecting it, then buying into this daily market structure here. That is one. Then two, I'm expecting price to come up here into this daily market structure and respect it by closing away from it to the downside. That is two. So that makes it two scenario right now. So the third scenario is for price to take probably this one out. We test it, then starts going up. That's the third scenario. Then the fourth scenario is for price to take out this one, then come into this level back again. So I have four scenario right now, which I'm really expecting GU to give me. That is it by GU. Nothing really too much. Expecting price to come to my level, then reacting to what the market is going to do from that point. Then from this level down to this point here, we have about 100 pips. You can see. Then vice versa, we have 100 pips to the downside as well. Then probably if price should close below this level, you should be looking around 100 to 120 pips down to this level here. Then if price should close above this level here, that's a very huge movement happening already, because we have the overall bias to be a bullish run. But right now, nothing has been done. Just putting my hand on GU. So let's see what is going to happen next. Then moving to gold. Gold is really doing what I'm really expecting actually. So let me start the analysis of gold from the daily time frame. So if you look at gold from this daily time frame, you can see that price is really moving, has created a new all-time high around 200, 2,830 thereabout. That was a new all-time high that market has created on gold. So, and we have this level here being taken out, this high here being taken out. You can see price took that out, retested it, then bounced off from that point. So that tells me that we're still on the buy side of the market on gold as well. We are still on the buy side of the market on gold. So we don't really know what this is going to be. Will this movement continue going like that, or will it just pull back and then start reversing? We can't really tell. We can just wait and see what the market is doing. So what I'm really seeing right now is this. The market is still bullish. Yes, it's still bullish, but the bullish run is getting weaker. Let me show you what I mean by that. Look at this. Look at this sequence of candlesticks here. So we had a very strong candle here, followed by this smaller body candlestick, then followed by this huge candlestick that took out these two level here, took out this level and took out this level. This candlestick here is very, very strong. That tells you that we have a lot of buyers in the market at that particular point in time. So for us to have that kind of movement at that particular level tells you that a lot of buyers are there. But look at the next candlestick. We had a rejection candle, small body with massive rejection to the upside. You can see the small body candle followed by this indecision candle. We have the rejection to the upside, we have it to the downside as well. Then look at this next daily candlestick now. Is trying to like form a doji. So we can't really say if that movement really want to continue by now or not, but we are still on the bullish side of the market. So that's the point. We are still on the bullish side of the market, but we have to be very, very careful for a pullback, probably price to pull back into this level here, then start buying again from there, or probably pull back into this daily market structure there. So these are the things that I'm really seeing on gold right now. Nothing really too serious. It's just like just wait for confirmation before you jump into the trade. That's just the best thing. So that is one thing that I'm seeing right now on gold as well. So moving down to 4 hours. Right now on 4 hour time frame, this is what is really happening. You can see the price tells me that, okay, market tells me that price moved from this point here, breaking into this level here, then pull back by taking out this market structure here. This market structure that was taken out here still indicate the market is still going bullish. So that is why I'm still saying the market on gold is still bullish. The movement on gold is still bullish until we confirm otherwise. Now, looking at this from this time frame, we can see clearly that we have a demand level on this 4 hour. You see, that's a demand level of 4 hour. Okay, look at that's a very huge one. But what I did is this: I took out that demand level instead. Then I went to the 1 hour to refine it into this level. But before then, I did something here as well. I pulled out my golden zone, my 50.61.8 level of Fibonacci retracement tool. That is what I used to draw this my GZ level, my golden zone level. So that is what I did there. I used this point here, this low and this high level here to pull out that golden zone. Let me show that. So I pulled it out from this point down to this level. You can see. Let me zoom so that we can see it very well. We can see we have 50% level and 61.8% level. So that's what I used to draw this box here, and I'm waiting patiently for price to get into that box before I know what to do exactly. So waiting patiently on GU and waiting patiently on gold as well. So moving on to the 1 hour time frame, that is where I refine that demand level with the 1 hour demand level. So I'm waiting for price to come into this golden zone, respect it, then bounce off, then I'll probably come into this demand level, respect it, then bounce off. So if we have these two level taken out, that tells me that, okay, the market really wants to sell off from that point. They'll be looking at setting into this demand, into this daily market structure down here. So, but currently nothing is being done right now, waiting for price to get to this golden zone. If the golden zone fails to hold the price, I'll be looking at this demand level down here of this 1 hour time frame. Then in this as well fails to hold the price, that tells me that, okay, this level is not holding price from continuing what's in the bullish movement. That tells me, okay, the market really wants to go bearish. Then where are we going bearish to? I'll be looking at this daily market structure down here. So that's basically what I have for this midweek analysis on gold and GBPUSD. I believe this is going to be very, very, very much informative for anybody that really wants to use it. This is not a financial advice for anybody. I'm just trying to pull out my own view of what the market is really doing. It's not a financial advice for anybody to use. So just like sharing my own knowledge and giving you my own view of what the market is really doing, really doing. So that's all I have for this video for this time. If you find any value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Then most importantly, turn on the notification bell for you to be having a notification about any video that we're dropping on this channel. So thanks for staying this long and have a wonderful and profitable week.